In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fade in on a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, so go into your timeline, click or highlight the video, and then go to Effects and type in Color Key. And then drag this onto your video clip, and then go back to Effects Control Panel, and click the eyedropper icon right here, and then click the video. And as you can see, it removed the background, and that's exactly what we want. Now under the Color Key, click Color Tolerance, and you can move this to the right. And notice how it's removing the green. In this case, some of it have, let's say 55, and then edge thin 1. That's not too bad. But as you can see, there's another green part of the video that we want to remove. So do the same thing. We're going to add a cut to the video. I'm going to go back to the effects, drag color key onto the new part we want to remove, the color map, and then go to effects control. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm going to move this to 100. So this is where the cool thing comes into play. We want to make this basically fade, or we want to add the effect fade on to the video. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over and I'm going to add a color matte. Let's say we want to make this color red because it's a Spider-Man color theme. I'm going to drag this above our color matte. So now where we want to add the fade, he's right where Spider-Man hits Sandman. And I'm going to add a cut, click the video, go to effects control, and then under opacity, click the keyframe and then move 5 frames to the keyboard or to the right arrow key 5 times, and then click the keyframe. And we're going to make this, let's say 50, so it looks like Sandman is kind of disappearing as he's getting hit. Then move it 5 frames. You can hold down shift and then the right arrow key and see how it moved 5 frames instead of moving me 5 frames. Click another keyframe and we'll make this back to 100 by dragging it to the right and then shift and then right hits and then 5 frames and then control A. If this doesn't work, click on here, control plus A and then control plus C to copy, and then control V, and this is what we have. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I think that looks pretty cool in my opinion.
Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.